Let's make some giant roll-ups. I bought this beautiful lavash bread and I want to use it. Here it is. I'm going to use two big sheets. I'm going to lay them out overlapping. I'm starting with a big bed of arugula, chopped arugula, tomatoes, black pepper always goes really good with the tomatoes. And then of course some Thousand Island dressing, who can't use that. Then I'm going to start adding other stuff in the refrigerator. I got potatoes, onions, peppers that I fried yesterday. Some avocado and potatoes looks pretty good too. And olive oil and some crumbled cheese, why not? And then this is what it looks like. Pretty good, huh? Roll the sides in just like a burrito. And then put it on a piece of tin foil and use the tin foil to help you roll it into a nice compact roll. Slice it up and enjoy.